Day by Day Kids Bible, Day 110, all about people, Proverbs. A wise child makes father happy. A foolish child makes mother sad. A wise servant will rule over the family's foolish children. The wise servant will be treated like one of the family. Grandchildren are like a crown to grandmothers and grandfathers. Children are proud of their mothers and fathers. Gray hair is like a bright crown. You get it by doing what's right. Strength makes a young person great, but gray hair makes an old person great. Have you seen a beautiful woman who is foolish? It's like seeing a gold ring in a pig's nose. A good wife is like a crown to her husband, but a foolish wife makes him rot from the inside out. A wise woman takes care of her family, but a foolish woman tears her family apart. A man who finds a wife finds something good. God is bringing good things to him. A foolish child hurts his father. A wife who makes a fuss is like water dripping in the sink. Mothers and fathers give their children houses and riches, but God gives their children wise people to marry. Be happy to live on the corner of a roof. That's better than living with someone who makes a fuss. Be happy to live in the desert. That's better than living with someone who gets angry a lot. A fussy wife is like rain that keeps dripping. Trying to stop her is like trying to stop the wind. It's like trying to hold oil in your hand. A king is great when he rules lots of people, but what if he has no one to rule? Then he is not king. A king is glad when he has a wise servant, but he is angry when he has a foolish servant. Kings are glad to hear people tell the truth. A person who tells the truth is important to them. When a king's face gets bright with a smile, that means you'll live. When he likes you, it's like a cloud bringing spring rains. A king's anger is like a lion's roar. Whoever makes the king angry gives up his life. When a king judges, his eyes can tell what's wrong. A king stays safe if he is always loving and keeps his promises. God is in charge of the king's heart. God makes it do what he wants. He turns it as he pleases, like he turns rivers. Love a heart that does not sin. Talk kindly. Then the king will be your friend. When you eat with the king, look at all the food. Don't let yourself eat too much. Don't keep wanting his rich food. That kind of food tricks you. Look up to God and the king. Don't go along with people who don't obey. God and the king will get rid of them. God can hide how he does things. That shows God is great. A king tries to find out things that shows the king is great. Take the dirt out of silver, then you'll have something the silver workers can use. Take sinful people away from the king, then he will do what's right. Don't make yourself look important when you're with the king. It's better for the king to make you look important. That's better than looking foolish in front of great people. Some rulers are mean to helpless people. These rulers are like lions that roar. They are like bears that jump on people. When a ruler listens to people who lie, all the leaders become sinful. A king who is fair to poor people will rule for a long time.